Mambo, no, tool number 5. Okay, hi guys, this is Gerard, Shifting Lens, and a short video actually because I got some questions about a tool and some questions about cutting a specific kind of shape, square shape, and well, I combined them. So got some questions about tool number 5, the multi-purpose tool, and someone asked me about a block that hasn't got any straight shapes, lines, corners, and how to get those corners aligned again. So I thought, well, how great. Let's show tool number 5. So I will build the tool up, and so I have here one side. There is a little support. It ran away, sorry. So just imagine there is a little support here. But what does tool number 5 do? So I have the question about, I have a block with no nice straight corners. It's not 90-degree angled anymore. Could be a cylinder or anyway. Is there a way to get it aligned again? We can use tool number 5. But we can also use this tool for I have a large, badly cut, a lot of strange structure. I have a very long piece of foam, and for some reason, I don't know why, I want somewhere in the middle, I want to have this in a 45-degree angle. Now I could try and do this on the angle cutter, but that's a little bit difficult. It may be longer and that could be in the way. I mean, sure, I could put this one to the rear, set it in a 45-degree angle and cut it like this, that I guess. But what I also can do is I take this part, I put it in the desired angle, 45 degree. I put the block on, I determine this is where I want to cut the block, and I shift it and now I have my dit is geen 40, 45 graden, hè? So, and I have my 45-degree angle, which isn't 45 degree. And do you know why? Because I was so stupid to put it on 40 degrees. So I have a 40-degree angle. But that's nice. So now I will put it on 45 degree. Now we're talking. And now I will try and cut it in. I have to find my foot pedal. There we go. Please let it be 45 degrees. I have to do the other one as well. Okay, there we go. And let's see if this looks more like a 45 or 90 degree angle. Ah, yes it does. So, as you can see, I can cut larger blocks in a specific angle. Larger blocks, thicker blocks, longer blocks. And then, of course, yes, there is this option to actually get blocks that are totally not rectangle or square. Even maybe the sides of this block are off in a specific angle. But I can make, hopefully, a nice rectangle again. And let's try this. So actually I have here, again, a contraption that goes to and fro. These are supports. They are there, but I can remove them. Anyway, I can put the block on here. And as you can see, it wobbles and bobbles, but that's perfectly fine. I simply want to make sure it doesn't move while I cut. And I see I can even shift the whole tool a little bit to the right from my perspective to get the most foam out of this block still. So here we go. So with this simple one nice straight cut, I can do the rest. I started with this side, so I use the freshly cut side as a base, and now again I can, yeah, I think this is it. Cut the next side, and from here it's quite simple. I can do the next one. Actually, I go clockwise. And the final side. Now you see here already is the curve, but maybe I want to cut it here. And again, you see I have a nice rectangle in. Maybe, okay, I want to get rid of this part. Sure, I get rid of this part. And you see I have a nice, perfect rectangle again. So regardless what the shape is, you can make blocks workable in this way. And yes, you can even, if you want, you can slice. You imagine this is a thick block. You can actually slice like you're in the butcher's shop, like they slice the pork in slices. Not sure why this would help you out, but hey, maybe it does. It's very stable. So if you are at some kind of, if you have some kind of problems like to make stable cuts, know that using this whole contraption, you can push and pull what you want, but you can make very nice and clean cuts. Okay, a very short introduction of this tool, this multi-purpose tool, tool number 5, and a little and quick explanation how to get these blocks nice, straight again. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you soon.